To create interactive and engaging sections, you can use the Content Reveal widget, part of the premium version of the A-Teams add-ons for Elementor plugin. This powerful tool lets you hide and show content with smooth animations, perfect for frequently asked questions, product features, or any information you want to present in a clean, organized way. The first thing we need to do is activate the widget, and we're going to do that by going to the A-Teams add-ons dashboard. We're going to use the search field here and search for Content Reveal. Click this button to activate the widget. Now go to your Elementor page or create a new page. Search for the widget and drag it onto your page. The widget is populated by some default content, which you can easily change from here. This is the title and the content right here. You can see if you click the button, the content expands. If you click it again, it collapses. So let's look at the options. First of all, we have the content type, which can be text, which is this, the default option, or it can be template. Let's select the template. I'm just going to pick this one. So now when I click the button, it expands like this. So basically you can have any kind of content here that you can store inside a regular Elementor template. Moving on, you can change the text for both the expand button as well as the collapse button, and each of them can have their own icon that you can configure like this, for example, and a different icon for the collapse text. Let's say like this. Moving on, we have some settings here available, but first of all we're going to go back to the text content type. Okay, so going to the settings now, you can alter the height before the reveal. So let's say I can make it bigger like this, so it's going to expand just a little bit. Let's leave it at 150 pixels. The trigger can be click or hover. So by default it's click. Let's change it to hover and see how it's working. So you just hover over the content and it expands and it collapses when your mouse leaves the area. You can change the alignments for the title and the content. This of course if you're using the text content type. If you're using the template content type, then all your changes will be done in that specific template. You can change the duration of the transition. You can change where you want to position your button, so it can be after the content or before the content. And of course you can align it. Let's leave it after the content. Now we have styling options. So first of all, you can change the styles of your wrapper. Something like this maybe. You can add some padding if you want to, margins, a border of course, border radius. Let's change the border color to something lighter. Let's also add some box shadow. This is also an option that's available to you if you want to fully customize your content reveal widget and turn it into a sort of a card. Okay. Now for the content, I can also change here the color, typography if I need to. You can change your font family. It's basically a complete set of typography options that you would usually find in Elementor. Let's go to the description. I can make my changes here as well. I can configure the color, the typography, as well as the margins. And moving on, if you want to customize your button, actually make it look like a button, you can do that as well by using this complete set of options. So you can change colors, paddings, everything. Let's just do like this, for example. Let's change the color, add a bit of padding, and you can see it turned into a regular button. course, you can have hover colors as well. Let's put like a darker color on hover. So here it is. And of course you can combine this with any kind of widget. Let me reset the styles, for example. And I'm just going to add an image. So just an image like this here. And I'm going to make this whole section look like a card real quick. Just add a bit of background like this. Now the same color, I'm going to go to my content reveal widget. Add it as background here as well, so that everything looks nice. Right, so basically it looks like a card that also contains the image, and of course if I need to, I can add other things as well. This is only in case you don't want to get a bit more complex and use the template. The easiest way would be to use the template if your design needs to be a bit more involved. And that's it. Thank you for watching.